These spring-loaded right-angle clamps are perfect for holding wood together at 90 degrees. Whether you're building frames, boxes, or shelves, these make sure your angles stay sharp and aligned while you glue or screw pieces together. They're strong, easy to use, and super affordable for a 4-pack. This is a handheld cordless mini chainsaw that makes tree trimming and wood cutting feel effortless. It comes with 2 rechargeable batteries and a 6-inch bar, which is just the right size for cutting through branches without the bulk. Whether you're prepping firewood or tidying up the yard, this is compact, powerful, and easy to control. No more wrestling with oversized chainsaws. This little gauge is a game changer for woodworking, flooring, and even tile work. It perfectly copies irregular shapes, so if you've ever struggled to trace corners or awkward edges, this fixes that. It has an adjustable lock, so once you capture the shape, it won't shift. Just trace and cut. It's the ultimate tool for clean, custom fits. No more bending, no more chemicals. This stand-up weeder pulls weeds out by the root using for strong claws. You just step, twist, and pull. The ergonomic handle is 39 inches long, so it's easy on the back, and there's even an eject button to drop the weeds when you're done. It makes yard work weirdly satisfying. This is a 2-pack razor blade scraper set designed for tough cleaning tasks. It includes 80 extra blades, 30 metal for hard surfaces and 50 plastic for delicate areas. Ideal for removing stickers, paint, grime, and adhesives from glass, stovetops, tiles, and more. The ergonomic design offers a firm grip and better control, while the quick blade replacement system ensures efficiency. This 17-inch axe is designed to split small logs like butter. It's got a perfectly balanced head and a shock-absorbing handle to reduce strain on your hands. Whether you're heading out camping or chopping firewood at home, this is a sturdy, reliable tool that's ready to swing all day. Say goodbye to dropping screws and bolts while working. This magnetic wristband keeps all your small metal parts right on your wrist. Screws, nails, drill bits, all within reach. Made of durable ballistic nylon and lightweight enough to forget it's even on. Ideal for anyone who uses both hands to work, especially up on a ladder or under the hood. This is an all-in-one skateboard tool designed to handle everything you need for assembly and adjustments. It includes a T-type Allen key, an L-type Phillips head screwdriver, and sockets for kingpins, axles, and hardware. Whether you're tightening bolts, changing wheels, or adjusting trucks, this tool does it all. Lightweight and portable, it fits easily in your pocket or bag, perfect for on-the-go fixes at the skate park or street sessions. This is a rugged 15-in-1 multi-tool packed with pliers, wire cutters, screwdrivers, a knife, and more, all in a slim, pocketable design. It's stainless steel and built to last. Whether you're camping, fixing stuff on the go, or just need a reliable EDC tool, this one's a powerhouse. Need to hang pictures, shelves, or align tile? This budget-friendly laser level shoots a precise horizontal or vertical line up to 8 feet. It also includes a built-in ruler for quick measurements. At just $9, it's a no-brainer to keep in your toolbox. Makes straight lines easy and frustration-free. Lightweight, powerful, and cordless, this mini blower is perfect for yard cleanup without breaking your back. It's battery-powered with a 20V pack and charger included. Whether it's leaves, sawdust, or just tidying the patio, this makes quick work of messes all with a one-hand operation. This is a powerful 1800-watt heat gun with a temperature range from 122 degrees Fahrenheit to 12.2 degrees Fahrenheit, perfect for stripping paint, shrinking PVC, and other heavy-duty tasks. It features variable temperature control, dual airflow settings, and built-in overheat protection for safe, precise use. The kit includes 4 nozzle attachments to suit different projects. Its quick heat-up time and ergonomic handle make it a reliable tool for both home improvement and professional jobs. This non-contact infrared thermometer reads surface temps in seconds. Perfect for cooking, grilling, or checking the fridge or AC. Just aim, click, and read the temperature on the display. It's also great for mechanics and vac work. A surprisingly useful gadget for home and garage. If you've got a check engine light on, this handy device tells you why. Plug it into your car's OBD2 port and it reads diagnostic codes instantly. Whether you're a DIY mechanic or just want to avoid a trip to the shop, this gives you insights fast and it clears codes too. Works with most vehicles from 1996 onward. This heavy-duty utility knife set is built for serious cutting. Each box cutter features a retractable blade and a comfortable rubber grip for precise control. Slice through cardboard, carpet, plastic, and more with ease. The set includes 2 durable knives and extra blades, so you're always ready for the next job. Whether you're breaking down boxes or tackling tough materials, these cutters deliver clean, reliable performance every time. This labor-saving jack is designed to make lifting heavy loads easier and more efficient. With a durable construction and a powerful lifting capacity, it reduces the effort needed to lift vehicles or equipment. Its user-friendly design allows for smooth operation, whether you're working in the garage, on construction sites, or in emergency situations. This jack is a must-have for anyone looking to save time and energy while handling heavy-duty lifting tasks. The Astro AI AM33D digital multimeter is the perfect accessory for DIYers and beginning electricians alike. It's simple and lightweight. Design means it can travel anywhere you need it to go, whether it's out to the garage or the classroom. This multimeter is designed to precisely measure voltage, DC current resistance, and continuity. Precise results are displayed on a clear backlit LCD screen that always returns an accurate reading with a sampling speed of 2 times per second. Convenient features like a backlit LCD data hold function and built-in kickstand make the 33D easy for anyone to use. Astro AI provides extra peace of mind with its included 1-year warranty. Safely and efficiently take care of all your electrical needs with the Astro AI AM33D digital multimeter. This 3-in-1 Cork Tool is a game-changer for clean, professional-looking sealant work. The stainless steel scraper lifts old cork with ease, while the built-in smoother delivers a flawless finish every time. It even has a sharp blade for trimming excess. Whether you're tackling the bathroom, kitchen, or windows, this tool does it all in one go. No mess, no fuss, just crisp, clean lines like a pro. This 6-in-1 tool is built for adventure. It sharpens straight and serrated blades fast, features a fire-starting ferro rod for emergencies, and even includes a loud whistle for signaling. The built-in diamond rod tackles tough edges, and the rugged design fits right in your pocket. Whether you're camping, hiking, or just getting stuff done, this is the ultimate tool to keep by your side.
Thanks for watching our videos. Please don't forget to like, comment, and share with your friends if you found our video helpful. Subscribe to our channel to get more videos like this.